If someone has a set budget, but they're looking to save money, what areas would you recommend that they save money when it comes to a kitchen renovation for cabinets or countertops?
They can save money by doing the demolition themselves, removing the existing cabinets and countertops if that's feasible. That's a good way to save money. Another big variable in the price of cabinetry is the door style. One way to kind of achieve the same overall look is maybe opting for a partial overlay door style versus a full overlay door style. That can cut some costs. And
What is a partial versus a full overlay?
Oh, okay. Full overlay means when the door is closed on a framed cabinet. We're talking about framed cabinets here versus frameless. When a door is closed on a framed cabinet and it's a full overlay door style, the door almost fully covers the face frame. So there's smaller gaps between the doors and drawer fronts. On a partial overlay door style, when you close the door, you see the face frame around the door, so the door is partially covering the face frame when it's closed. So it almost looks like you took the door and kind of shrunk it a little bit on the cabinet. It's less expensive. A full overlay gives a more custom look. Partial overlay is a lot of what you've seen in the past, but it is a way to save money.
Are there any other ways to save money?
Countertop. The countertop range of price is pretty large, so if you can fall in love or find a color of countertop that works, that's a tremendous way to save money.